Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening the form and switching to responses. This is where the chart data originates. Once done, click the green Sheets icon to create or open the linked spreadsheet so you can change chart behavior. You need editing access in Sheets because Forms charts are generated from the sheet range. Without access, you cannot modify ranges or chart types. So open the sheet now and make sure the responses are visible. That connection is the only way to change the chart. Once you've opened the linked sheet, locate the chart inserted by Forms and click it to reveal the three-dot menu. Select Edit Chart to open the chart editor. Here you can change the data range, pick a different chart type, toggle series and aggregation, and refine axis labels. That's why you work in Sheets rather than Forms. Make sure to use Customize for colors and legend placement so the chart matches your intent. After edits, the chart updates in Sheets and back in Forms Response View. To finish, verify the updated chart appears in the Form Responses tab. Forms surfaces the chart from the linked sheet. If it doesn't, relink the spreadsheet or recreate the chart inside Sheets and ensure the chart object is saved. Make sure collaborators have proper edit permissions. Lack of access often prevents visible changes. If changes still don't show, clear your browser cache or reload both form and sheet. This resolves most sync delays. That troubleshooting step typically fixes the remaining.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.